Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
Fine, teacher.
Today our activity Indian states and official languages. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Official languages is more India in our country. Yes. Let me start.
Teacher.
Ready to children?
Yes, teacher. Andhra Pradesh Telugu, Arunachal Pradesh English, Assam Assami, Bihar Hindi, Chhattisgarh Chhattisgarhi, Goa Konkani, Gujarat Gujarati, Haryana Haryani, Himachal Pradesh Hindi, Jammu and Kashmir Hindi, Jharkhand Hindi, Karnataka Kannada, Kerala Malayalam, Madhya Pradesh Hindi, Maharashtra Marathi, Manipur Manipuri, Nagaland English, Mizoram Mizo, Nagaland English, Odisha Oriya, Punjab Punjabi, Rajasthan